Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how I create, design, edit, and cut my vinyl stickers for my business. The next step to creating vinyl decals is to open the Cricut app. In the Cricut app we are going to create a new project. Open from photo library, let's make the I saw that sticker. I'm going to edit it. Name it, and bring it down to the proper size. We're going to make it on a 12 by 12 mat. The ingredients that we are going to need in order to make this sticker are black vinyl, white vinyl, transfer tape, and a cutter. The first layer is going to be black, so let's set the stuff that we don't need to the side. The next step that I'm going to do is to cut the permanent black vinyl to the proper size. I know what size to do it because it says on the Cricut app. Now I'm going to take my perfectly cutted black vinyl decal slab and put it onto the 12 by 12 mat. Stick the mat into the Cricut machine, press go, and watch it create my decal. Now that the Cricut is done cutting, I'm going to unload my mat. Now I'm going to weed out all the unnecessary pieces out of my black vinyl decal slab to get the desired design. Now I'm going to make the second layer. I am going to open the Cricut app, new project, delete the old layer, select photo library. I'm going to click on I saw that again, but this time I'm going to edit it differently. Instead of weeding out everything, I'm just going to make a circle around the object and make it a little bit bigger to go behind my black layer that I've already made. Now I'm going to bring it down to the proper size. Now it is time to cut the white slab of permanent vinyl into the proper size, load it into the machine, and watch it cut. Now I'm going to weed out the parts that I don't need on my second layer. This should be pretty easy because it's a simple cut. Placing on the transfer tape is the hardest part because you have to peel back the first layer without the background, and sometimes they can stick, and that is not good. Now I place the first layer onto the second layer, rub it down, and cut all the edges so that it's nice and smooth. And now you have a decal. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe and like this video. Thank you for watching.